Here I've got XIAOMI Mi Mix free, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So we will start with the very short one. It's just 5 digits long, so it's *pound, 06 pound. And this one will show you the IMEI numbers for your device, so you can quickly get access to such information. Then let's go to the second code, which will allow us Google Play services, so it's *pound, 426 #. And now we are in diagnostic mode, so you can check events and status. And if you will click on more icon, which is +1 in the right upper corner, you can select advanced view, and now you'll be able to come along with very detailed information. So let me go back. And it's time for the third code, which is calendar, so it's *pound, 225 #. And here you will be able to check all the events, all the holidays that are in your calendars, not only in Google Calendar, but also in the calendar from your internal XIAOMI storage. So everything in one place. Let's go back, and now let's open Google testing mode, and the code for that is *pound, 4636 #. And as you can see, here are the testing menu, so you can get phone information first, and now you've got IMEI number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data network type, voice call status, and also you can run a ping test here. Simply click on Run Ping Test, and here is the solution. So this is how it fully looks like. Let me go back, and let's open phone information second. So that's currently the same. And Wi-Fi information, so you can check Wi-Fi APA, where you will find disable network, disconnect, enable network, configured networks, and also connection info. Then Wi-Fi configuration, so here you will find all configured networks. And the last one is Wi-Fi status, where you can find, let me refresh it, simply click on refresh status, where you will find all the detailed info about your current Wi-Fi connection. You can also run a ping test here, so just click on Run Ping Test, and as you can see, this one passed. So let me go back, and now the last but very useful code, which will allow you to test your phone fully, and it's *pound, 6466 #. And now you are in the testing mode, so you can check plenty of features here. For example, you can test your fingerprint, battery, GPS, front camera, back camera, also the vibration, light sensor, GPS, microphone, receiver, speaker, touch sensor, keyboard, and all the others. As you can see, here we've got plenty of options, so if everything is not working correctly, just open this mode, and then you will be able to check if it's the application to blame, or maybe your XIAOMI is not working correctly. So for example, let me open the speaker. 868. So as you can see, it passed. You can also test mic, but I will not do it now. You can pick, for example, vibration test. So it's the last option. Click on pass. You can check the black light beam, black light white, and all the other options. So let's go back. It also passed. And let me check, for example, fingerprint sensor test. So it has password. Okay, I've got the password. So maybe let's check keyboard. So let me check volume up, volume down, power button, and IA key. They all are working correctly, so it passed. And also then vibration interval, then it passed. So let's go back. This is how you can test your XIAOMI Mi Mix free. Then let's go back. You have to confirm on OK that you would like to exit this mode, because all related text data will be erased. So click on OK. And apparently that's it. These are all the codes for your XIAOMI. I think they are pretty useful and helpful. You can use them on your daily basis. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.